Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Derek Anthony. I'm here at one of my latest projects. I've rehabbed several houses in this neighborhood, bought and sold. But right now, I just want to talk about this house. Right now, we're standing in the living room. As you can see, all new framing, tray ceilings, recessed lighting, all new central air and heating, plumbing, electrical. Had to do a total renovation on this property. It looked nothing like this. Wanted to open up the kitchen, living room, and dining room. Go for that look. That's what everybody's doing nowadays. Have the gray paint all throughout the house, as you can see. This was actually a wall right here and a wall right here. This is the kitchen. I did the white cabinets in here. Black granite countertops with the black knobs. I thought that matched a lot. With the gray backsplash here as well. Also did new appliances. Samsung, we have the microwave, dishwasher, stove, which is actually a 6-burner. So that means you have 4 right here and 2 in the middle. Huge fridge, and also we installed this as well. Now this is a mini fridge for your wine, liquor, soda, and what have you. I thought that might be a cool touch. Also, we did these 2 lights right here hanging over top of the bar, the breakfast bar. So you know, you can come in, sit down, eat right here in the morning. Also, another cool touch right here is the thermostat. This is a Nest, and what's really cool about this thing is you can change the temperature like that. It has the settings on it where it can run automatically by itself. Right now, we're gonna hit upstairs to the 2nd floor. Starting off, we have the carpet right here, gray carpet, all throughout the 2nd floor. And this property is actually a 4-bedroom. So there's 3 bedrooms up here, and we're gonna start right here in this one. I'm sorry, guys. This is one of the smaller rooms. Closet space right here. So this would be like a kid's room or like an work space in here for like an home office. This will be the 2nd bedroom in here, which is a lot bigger than the last one. All new light fixtures in each room as well. And this is the master bedroom in here. And what's really cool about this bedroom is we did the recessed lighting again in here, and also installed this cool chandelier light fixture in here. And we're gonna head on into the bathroom up here. This property also has 2 bathrooms. I forgot to mention, one full up here and another full bathroom downstairs in the basement. So as you can see, you got the white tile in here, huge mirror, brand new light fixtures in here, and the tub shower right here. I'm gonna get out you guys' way so you can check that out. But what's really cool about this shower and tub is we installed this right here. Guess you would call it like a pouch area where you can put your soap, shampoo, and conditioner, things like that. So you don't have to go into the closet and, you know, old-fashioned where they had the ones that were sticking out the wall. So that's pretty cool. Right now, we're gonna head downstairs in the basement, finished basement, again, which has a bedroom, full bathroom, and also, most importantly, a washing machine and a dryer. Folks love when you put that inside of the properties. That's a nugget you guys can take down. Also, we did the carpet going down the steps. Hardwood floors on the 1st floor, if I forgot to mention that. But downstairs, we didn't put hardwood floors, but they do look like they are, but they're not. And the reason that we don't do that is because flooding, you know, you want to get your hardwood floors mixed up. So you can do carpet or laminate, just make sure the basement is safe. And right here is just family space area with like utility closet right here, just another small closet right there. But the bedroom right here is back here, a lot of space with a closet right here as well. I don't know if you guys can see this. And electric panel, which would be right here as well. We have to put that in here. And a full bathroom, which is in here. And then last but not least, the washing machine and dryer, which we installed right there, which adds a lot of value to your rehabs. And that's something I learned a long time ago from my mentor, and I'm actually making this video for him. He said, Derek, man, you've had a lot of success over the past several months. Why don't you shoot this video for a couple of my new clients and students I'm bringing in? I said, Marcel, why not? I would suggest that you guys work with Marcel, man. He's the best, he's the greatest, he knows what he's doing. He has a great system, and as long as you follow that system, you can do rehabs like this. But we're gonna head back upstairs into the kitchen and talk a little bit more